Creamer ice, the 10 o'clock snack. I'm always thankful for my wife's cooking. She's really good at it. I'll be right back. Man, that was really good. As always. And a clean bowl. Willow quit snoring, so it's time for me to go to bed. Be back in the morning. Good night. Well, I woke up this afternoon, and well, it's this afternoon. And because I didn't get very much sleep last night. And that's because Willow was snoring. But that happens. You can't do anything about it. Well, I got the cold, and I'm going to be doing 2 more videos. So I'll be right back in a minute with food.